Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are
BOSH.
Today we're going to be making
a fantastic shepherd's pie.
It's packed full of lentils, packed full of protein, and it's got much less fat or saturated fat than a usual shepherd's pie.
We've got lots more videos coming like this very soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel.
Let us know what you think in the comments and hit like if you like this. And if you're joining us from our meal plan, the Veganuary meal plan, then welcome. We hope you're having fun and feeling lighter and healthier every day.
We've zhuzhed up this fantastic shepherd's pie with potato that's laced with luscious Brussels sprouts,
which give added fibre, extra vitamins, and just make you feel fantastic.
The base of the shepherd's pie is lentils, and we always get asked the question,
where do you get your protein from?
Lentils is the answer.
From plants, surely that's the answer.
Yeah.
Put the place up.
Now, for some reason, Ian thought it would make sense to put this in a loaf tin, but it makes sense. If you've got a loaf tin at home, you can make this in a loaf tin, but also you could use a small earthenware bowl, or you could use a small lasagna dish, whatever you've got lying around.
I was thinking outside of the box or inside of the tin.
Hey, you're using your loaf, weren't you, mate?
It certainly was.
So that is our incredible lentil shepherd's pie, packed with protein, perfect for Veganuary. Should we see how it tastes?
Yes, absolutely. Let's do it.
It looks incredible, steaming. Oh, look at that plate.
Good.
Oh.
The flavours are fantastic, and also the texture from the lentils and the creamy potatoes works perfectly.
So it's got a good bite.
Certainly has. This is one of our Veganuary videos. We've got lots more coming. You should subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any.
And hit that like button if you like this video. Help more people see it.
Bish.
Bash. Bosh.